Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. Today is the unboxing day for this winner's skeleton watch. By the way, happy Sunday. So we're gonna go ahead and then unbox this. It seems like there's a air bubble wrap in there. Okay. So let's go ahead and then get this unboxed. So I guess come with this instruction manual or use information. So this is the brand winner. There's another brand, Jarakar or forcing. These are just some of the samples. This is not the model that I got or the style. So let's go ahead and then get this. Oh, it comes with a box. So, oh man, box is kind of messed up now. It's alright. Just a box anyway. So let's go ahead and check this out. It's supposed to be the gold color. Wow. And come with this pillowcase. Wow, this thing feels pretty solid and heavy. And this is automatic. So as you can see, it is already working. Wow, this is pretty nice. Got the hour hand, the minute hand, and then the second hand, okay? Here is your crown. Got this plastic protector right there. Oh, I like this. You see there's a push down clip where you push it to open. So it doesn't automatically open by itself. So the wristband, it doesn't sound too cheap. And then here is the back. Wow. So it is a stainless steel back. And then that's the model number TM432. Alright, guys, so this is one of my other collector's watch. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button and then turn on your bell for notification and drop any other comments on below. Alright. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace out and happy Sunday.